Yo, what's going on? All right, so I'm guessing you guys can hear me then, huh? All right, just give me about 2 minutes. I'm getting everything set up. All right, let me know when you see my screen. You guys see my screen? All right. All right, so pretty much we are, gonna check some things out for London session. Looking for some trades we can get into. Please do remember it is Friday, and Fridays either you really don't get any big moves or you get a lot of fake outs. So we're not going to rush anything, and we're going to use small lot sizes for our trades, just in case things do go opposite direction. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check out USD CAD. We've been trading this all week. And I'll get my chart to move over a little bit. All right, so USD CAD broke. I've been saying I wanted to see a retest back up in this area to sell again. Pretty much came up there. Let's look at the 15-minute chart. Came about 5 pips from this area. I'm gonna sell this, and I'm gonna sell it right now. So I'm sending a signal out right now. Sell. USD CAD. Sell. Stop loss. And for the stop loss above today's high, which is 1.3074. So 1.3085 will be the stop loss. Take profit 1.3000. All right, so sell USD CAD, stop loss at 130.85. So we're going to risk 30 pips to make 50 pips. And let's see where that goes. If I see it's going to go further down, we just move our stop loss down. I just sent the signal out on Telegram also. So now looking to grab 50 pips out of that. All right. This is Euro AUD. Yeah. All right. So not going to touch this at all. Still believes it'll come back down to this area, but as you can see, it is sitting at a support area right here. So I'm just going to be waiting for next week to take Euro AUD back up towards the top. So we'll be paying attention to that. What else were we trading? Let's look at CAD JPY real quick. Now, this thing is just a move by itself. Alright, this is CAD JPY. We did get a big strong move up Thursday afternoon, but 77.50, then it start dropping from there. I really was expecting this pair to take off back up toward the high side, but the way it's looking now, looks like it might be coming back down. All right, let's I don't know if I really want to trade this pair right now. You know, I don't know. I think I'm gonna pass on it at least for right now. I'll look at it later, but I don't know. Looks like it could come down, but should be going up. No, this kind of looks the same. Let's look at this other. All right, let's look at this on a 4-hour chart. All these JPY pairs are kind of going to look identical. So I'm trying to see where they're all at. All right. Still technically in a downtrend. All right, let's look back at this pair in a little bit. Maybe I might sell it. EuroCAD. All right, now let's look at the GBP pairs. I'm looking for at least 3 setups. That's going to give us 50 pips each. Finish the day with 150 pips. And that's it. All right, GBP CAD. Where we at now? 1.7027. 70.09. All right, we can get this pair to break past this line right here. We will be selling. So if it breaks past 1.7009, then we will sell. Let's see something. Let's look to the left, see what else is out there. Alright, let's draw some lines over here. Alright. Alright, so we get a break underneath. What's that? 69. What's that? 66.95. Uh, drop. I think I'm gonna set a self stop here. This needs to really break though. See what else we got right here. 69.75. All right, I'm gonna set a self stop for this, but use proper risk management. GP CAD self stop at 1.70. Let me see. Yeah, all right. What's this right here? Stop loss. We're gonna use a 30 pips stop loss. 1.7030. Take the 1 hour chart real quick. All right. Take profit. I'm only looking for 50 pips out of this, so 1.6950. Small risk, so even if it does, put us in a trade go opposite direction, it's not going to hurt us if we do take a loss. I believe it could break and continue down though. Let's look at something else real quick. And if it does break, then we actually get more than 50 pips. But yeah, if it breaks this area, it can come all the way back down here. If it breaks this area, then we will be looking into this for next week, going into the long term. Take this all the way back down a couple hundred more pips. So let's see what happens. All right, I just sent that alert out. Sell stop. GBP AUD. We'll clear all these lines off this chart. All right, BPAUD. Draw a few support areas. Definitely right here. All right, so it's currently sitting at support area from when Brexit occurred. Let's move this down a little bit. All right, 1.7040. Let me go to 1 hour chart because this computer's moving too slow for me to actually move it where I need it to be. Every time I'm in a live session, the computer lags a little bit. All right, 1.7036 is the support area. All right, so I'm pretty much going to be looking for a break down. It's either going to bounce up from here or it's going to break out and go down. Pretty much we're waiting now. It's sitting at support. It needs to make its move from support. So I keep our eye on it and see which way it's going to go. We do have the GBP strategy. You know, if you guys been through the training, you should know what that is. You can get ready to get set up for that. It is 3 a.m. I know if this thing breaks down to the downside, then it's going to have a pretty nice drop. Same thing if it goes up, it can go up, you know, pretty good too. But I believe if it does break out to the bottom, then it should go back down into this area down here. So let's wait and see. I'll be paying attention in GBP, AUD, and really I'm hoping it breaks to the downside. That way I kind of have a target of where it's going to end up at. So we're not going to rush that. Let it make its move, and then we react off of that. GBP strong, no 1 hour candle. All right, that's cool. But like I said, you have to sit and wait and see what's going to happen. It's sitting in that support area, and it didn't really make any move from there yet. 1 hour candle. Yeah, I still see all red. See a small green candle right there, but that's not enough to make me want to buy GBP AUD. Yeah, even on a 15-minute chart. So, like I said, sit in that support area. You're going to see it make its move first before anything. GBP, JPY. So the 4-hour chart. Yeah, you use the 1-hour candle on a strategy. All right, GBP, JPY. I want to see what happens when it gets down to the 129.56 area. That is the Brexit lows. Still got that's about 200 pips away. Let's go to smaller time frame. $130.49. I believe we're gonna sell GBP, JPY. Send the alert out right now. I mean, like, you could sell it like now. Could have sold it earlier. GBP, JPY, sell. Always proper risk management. All right, GBP, JPY, sell. Stop loss. Oh, this thing's dropping already. Stop loss at 131 point, say 90. That's 50 pips. Take profit. Look for 100 pips. See the M setup right here on the 1-hour chart. It's M setup. That's what we're selling. We're selling the M setup. We're selling. Hold on, just give me a second. Let me finish this. Look at the overall trend. It's a downtrend. I mean, you see this move up, but it's still technically in a downtrend. See some other things. Yeah, so I mean, I believe the GBP pairs are coming back down to retest these Brexit lows. Yeah, always. If you're the market's in a downtrend, you want to sell. If it's an uptrend, you'll want to buy. You don't want to do the opposite. And to find the actual trends, you want to look at the higher time frame, see where it's going. So you're looking here, came down, we traced up a little bit, and I'm expecting it to come back down. And I give 100 pip take profit. It might not move 100 pips, but if we get 50, we're definitely going to close this out. If we see it stopping from there. If we see it, getting ready to look like it's about to come to the upside, we're going to close out and take our 50. So let's see what happens with that. Remember, use proper risk. If one trade does go against us, we do have other trades that can pretty much even everything out. So GBP NZD. Zoom in. All right. The 20th. All right, so this already went down, hit, actually broke the lows from Brexit, and then traced back up. $7,700, 75. Actually broke it by like 100 pips before it retraced back up. So maybe the other GBP pairs will be following. Most of them already start going back up, but looks like some of them may be coming back down to fully test again. So we'll see. GBP USD. All right, this thing already started coming back down. All right, so yeah, I'm not gonna mess with this at all. But let's look at the GBP strategy. If you guys don't know how to do it, I'll just briefly. I would briefly. What's this? $70. All right. Let's say our sell stop is getting ready to get hit soon for GBP CAD. All right, let's look at GBP AUD one more time. Show you guys what the GBP strategy is. Really quick. You might want to look into the back office and actually watch the training video. But let me do this really fast if my computer stops acting slow. Crazy. And guys, make sure you're paying attention to your trades also. If you do enter a trade and then you see it go into a nice profit and it's starting to come back up, just close out, take your profits. Don't wait for the signal from me. That you don't have to sit in there the whole time and try to get every single pip. If you're happy with the profit that you see, just close out. All right. Let's try this again. I'll just scroll down so I can pay attention to this other setup we have. All right. All right, so GBP strategy, really quick. First thing, you use a GBP pair to start at 3 a.m. Eastern time. Go to 4-hour chart, set up some support and resistance. Looking for some key areas. All right, let me. Then you go to 1-hour chart, do the same thing. All right, 1-hour chart, set up some more support and resistance areas. All right, so now that that's set up, what you want to do is, let's get this out the way. You want to look at the 1-hour chart, and you look at the candle that starts at 3 a.m. All right, you gonna put a vertical line through that candle. As you see, our candle right here. Where the yellow line is at. So once you do that, you come back about about 3:50 to 3:55 a.m. and you want to see the high of that candle and you want to see the low of that candle. So let's say the candle moves this high within the hour. Let's change this color. Change it to blue. You put a line at the top of that candle. Then you find the low of that candle within the hour. Let's just say the candle moved down here. You put another different color line underneath that candle. Candle, pin, it doesn't matter. You want to put it one at the high, one at the low. So then you want to set your sell stop and your buy stop. If market's going in an uptrend, I would say just set the buy stop, don't set the sell stop, because you don't want both to get triggered. So let's say we are going in an uptrend here. This is the high, 1.7914. I will put a buy stop 10 pips above this this line, 10 pips above the high of that hour candle. So it will be a buy stop at 1.7924. So what will happen is once price comes back and breaks out of these two areas here in either direction, we have the buy stop or the sell stop. Once it goes 10 pips, then activate, put us in the trade, and it should take off. We'll look for about 40 to 50 pips, and we get out. Talk about stop loss. You pretty much want to have your stop loss at your next support area in the buy stop. So if we're buying at 1.7924, you do have a minor support area here. So you either go put it at your next support area, depending on how far down it is. Me personally, I really don't like going past 30 pips for a stop loss, even though you can. But to me, it's really not worth it. If you're in a 30 pip drawdown, you just didn't get in the right spot. So 30 pip stop loss, I go for 40, 50 pip take profit, and that's it. And that's all you do. So let's say, we have these two lines set right here. Let's say these are the high and this is the low this hour. You come back right before the hour candle is over and price breaks out of it already. All you would do is just adjust. Just adjust your lines. And, it's the 4 o'clock candle that you were paying attention to. When that 4 o'clock candle starts and breaks out. All right, so GBP, JPY. Well, that's pretty much it with the GBP strategy. This is something you do got to pay attention to, because if you are setting up both orders, it can hit one before going in the opposite direction. So that's why I do say just know the direction of the trend you're in, or you can just use some small lot sizes. And once you do see it going in the direction that you believe it's going to go, you can just add, another lot size on there or whatever. But yeah, the training on that is in the back office, and it's a little more in depth. GBP, JPY, looks like we're down about, 7 pips, 7, 8 pips. Looks like a little retracement, not worried about that. And I think we have like a 40 pip stop loss here. So risk 40 to make 100. GBP CAD, 7 pips away from our sell stop. I could have gave this pair when it was up here. All right, so let's look at the other trades that we have up top first. What else did I give? I think I gave a USD cash sell. I don't know, looks like it should be around the same area. I have to enter these trades myself. I'll do that as soon as we get off this webinar. But, catch a few hours to do it. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that alone for now. We also got the morning session, so don't overdo it. All right, so we got so far USD CAD sell, GBP JPY sell, GBP CAD sell stop. What's that? 50, 50, 100, potential 200 pips for the London session. Let's see how everything goes. If I do, send a message to Telegram, tell you to close out, then just close out the trade. If I send a message to say anything about moving your stop loss to break even, that means if you enter at 77.30 and price drops down to 7710, you'll just go to your stop loss and move it to 7730, wherever your entry is. All right. So let's see how this London session plays out for us. I know USD CAD should be dropping. GBP CAD, if it breaks that area where our sell stop is, it should be dropping too. And GBP JPY should also be dropping. GBP JPY is probably the only one I'm really worried about because it can hit us with a big retracement before it heads back down. That's just what GBP JPY does. But I don't want to give up more pips than we have to. Let's see. Look at the 15-minute chart real quick. So our stop loss is, let me see, $131.90. In here, yeah, definitely. GBP JPY comes up here, then I'm just gonna leave it alone. So you'll see. All right, I'll be up London session for a little while at least. I'm gonna pay attention to these trades. You know, if we do go into a profit, then don't be afraid if you do see me send a message say you take profit. You know, even though we're only up about 25, 30 pips. Like I said, we're not gonna risk anything. It is Friday. Markets could turn us in a second, and we still got the morning session coming up, so we might have, you know, a little bit set up for that also. So even if we're able to just get, you know, 50 to 100 pips out of this session right here, then that's good. So, all right, you guys have any questions? Just post in the chat or anything, and I'll see you guys later.